In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of the free version of Everydollar, a useful tool for managing your personal finances. To get started, head over to Everydollar's website and log into your account. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the menu panel on the left side of the screen. It's important to note that the options featuring a green star are part of the premium features, but you can still achieve a lot with the free version. Now let's dive into building a strong foundation with your budget. One of the best places to begin is by exploring the Learn to Budget section. Accessing this is straightforward. Simply click on it, and you'll find an enriching library full of video tutorials. These are great resources, especially if you're new to budgeting. The tutorials cover essential budgeting concepts, common pitfalls to avoid, and best practices to maintain consistency. Imagine it as having your own financial mentor accessible whenever you need it, guiding you step by step through your financial journey. Next, take advantage of the Ramsey Trusted resources available to you as part of the Ramsey Solutions ecosystem. Click on the Ramsey Trusted section to explore a wealth of advice rooted in decades of financial experience. This section offers insights on a variety of financial topics, from paying off debt effectively to building up your savings, and even reshaping the way you think about money. It's a comprehensive approach that aims to provide you with the confidence and knowledge needed to take control of your finances. Incorporating a sense of community is the option for live group coaching sessions, even within the free version. By clicking on group coaching, you can join live sessions where skilled financial coaches will lead discussions on budgeting strategies, answer your questions, and keep your motivation levels high. It's a priceless opportunity to learn from experts as well as fellow budgeters in a supportive environment, all without any additional cost. Finally, let's discuss how you can start setting up your budget. Navigate to the budget section to implement a zero-based budgeting approach. This particular method involves allocating every dollar you earn to different categories, such as bills, savings, debt repayments, or general spending. The principle here is to give each dollar a designated role, helping you maintain intentional spending and prevent any financial leakage or unnecessary expenditure. By following this approach, you empower yourself to have a comprehensive understanding of where your money is going, promoting financial discipline and peace of mind. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at how you can utilize the free version of Everydollar to take control of your finances. With these tools and resources, budgeting doesn't have to feel daunting. Instead, it becomes a manageable part of your routine that leads to much greater financial stability and success.